Welcome to Crypto and Coffee, and today episode you're going to see me playing Ni No Kuni. It was really hard to install it. You need to install on the mobile to be able to log into the desktop version, but now it's working and you're going to see me playing. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, smash the like button, and enjoy every bit of this channel every single day, my friend, from Monday to Friday. Enjoy the content. So stay tuned and enjoy the show and enjoy everything. Thank you so much. I am in the game right now. The version of the game, unfortunately, is in French. I don't know why, because probably of the setting, but the traduction in French is pretty outstanding. So I'm going to talk in English, but you're going to see all the thing in French below. So my apologize about it, but it doesn't matter. So when you start in the beginning of the storyline, everything is automatically you move forward to the storyline. So you have the familiar here. So as you can see, I'm not going to read. I'm just going to read on my own. So everything is in English, but translated in French below. I want to be a mercenary and do some type of mission. I'm just going to skip, just for the purpose to see. Look, I'm not going to read because on the beginning they have a lot of blah blah blah. So I'm going to skip. So augmentez votre, sorry to say in French. So rank up. So. So we need to click here. Mission. Reputation. What we need to do? Nouvelle tâche. New task in English. In French is nouvelle task. Okay. Okay. So we need to move to Tomba. But the graphic is pretty cool. As you can see, you move on the city. So you have a task. Hey, what's up? So I'm just going to read. It's hard to say in English, and why I don't want to translate. So they talk in English, but they have to translate in French. I'm just going to skip for now, just for the purpose of this video. I just want to see the look and feel. So upset. So we have a task. I'm going to read later on. So we're moving. Probably we need to go kill some monster. Just for the purpose of this video, I don't want to bother you to read all the stuff and translate in French or English, because you get bored and say, oh, Chesatochi. We're going to fall asleep. But anyway, so all the mission is due by automatically, so I'm not going to read. So we move around in the city. You have 5 different classes when you start a game. So you need to choose Waze, and you put your name as well. So don't forget, if you want to install the game, you need to install it on the mobile, because the desktop version is a beta, and you need to create your character as well on the mobile to be able to log from the desktop to be able to play. So we'll just move around and let's play. I know I miss a lot from the storyline, but I just want to show you the look and feel. Beautiful, well-designed graphics, and like we feel like we are in an anime. Pretty cool. So probably I missed some nice information. I just keep all the stuff because I plan to play in the next few days to try this game. So as you can see, beautiful, well-designed graphic. Say. So we just need to keep all this. I know I need to learn. Okay, so we just move around. Just forget the storyline. Which we're going to try to go. You can jump. Nice graphic. Look, the beautiful. I just want to show you the look and feel. I'm going to play a little bit on my own before to create new content video, but I wanted to show you the gameplay, because in the beginning it's you make battles with 2 strings monster. Ah, my god, it's come back automatically. I want to go to the other side. I want to show you the city. So you do the task, mission, stuff like that. You move around. Beautiful. What is on it? I don't know if I can go outside. So we just move around and just go if I can go in the battles. So I just want to show you try to beat some monster and move around. Oh, nice. Look, you can move on a big cat. Very, very cool. You have a familiar with you. So we're going to try to move around. Look, the well-designed graphics. You need to see probably some monster below. How to go below? I want to go below. I'm not quite sure. So we need to find a place where we can go on this place. I'm not quite... Okay, we can go here. I wanted to show you the gameplay. So you move with your pet. So you have different kind of monster here. So let's battles. You can just, as you can see, I choose the one with the gun. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, this is level 16. My god. Debout gratuit. Confirmé. I'm dead. So they are too strong for me. I'm barely a level 3. And those monsters are level 16. My god. So I'm going to try to find a more easy spot to be able to fight monster. Allez. So I think we go on the Esperance. I'm not quite sure. Okay, so we come back in the city. If you go back here, allez, move. But I love the graphic on the game. It's pretty outstanding. We feel like we are in anime. And move. Aye! And you create your character. This you can customize the character, change the colors, the color of the eyes. So you need to custom. You have different 5 class. So this is the one I picked. So we move around. This is really, really cool. So they all level 16. We need to find a spot where I can fight low level enemy, because this is too high for me. So they all level 16, so I cannot beat them. So and we move around. Let's go across the bridge here. Probably the other side they have level 2, 3. I'm not quite sure. Will be great. What's the level of this pet? What is that? Can we fire? Can we catch? Probably just a small monster here. What's the level of those monsters? Oh, level 18 is too high. So I cannot go to this area because the monster are too high, unfortunately. I'm just discovering the game as with you. I just installed it yesterday and it's pretty cool. So they have a lot of monsters. So if you teach those as level 16. So we need to find monster level 1 or 2. Let's try to find another spot. I'm going to move around. So you can expect to see a lot of content from Ni No Kuni. Ni No Kuni. So move around. We come back to the cities. As you can see, beautiful pet. I want this beautiful pet. It's cool. Oh, look this nice familiar. We come back to the city. Allez, move in the city, and we need to find another spot to be able to get out. So if we check the map, so we can move on the map. So if you have a C map, we can go probably this. Can we move just? Vous ne pouvez pas. We just move to this area. This one, they have fuel. You have one exit here. Let's try. So teleport. So we can try to go. Probably they have some low enemies. Depend from which side of the city you go. So which level are those? No, we cannot be that way. Let's move on. Oh, they have a ball. So I'm not quite sure. We'll move. They have a soccer ball. Don't know why. But look look, you see the wind on the storm. Very, very, very nice. So we move around. Let's try to find some monster. What was those level monster? Those are 49. Forget about it. So we're going to see another exit where we can level. So on this side of the city it's level 49. The other side is level 14, 15. So we move around, make sure we can. So nice monster here. So zone PZ, so nothing happened. We're going back to the city and try to teleport on the zone and try to go to another zone with Ni No Kuni. Yes, let's go in. So we move in, make sure, okay. So now, okay, what we're going to do is to make sure we go there and then we try to teleport on this area. So teleport. So they have another exit. Hopefully that's the main zone where we can fight enemy of level 2, 3. Then let's go move out. Okay, they have different zones, so I need to explore. Oof. So let's go on the city. Probably we can fight here just for fun. Try to level up a little bit and then do some tasks and learn the basic of this is which level are those? Oh, this is level 1. So let's fight. So this is level 1. So we need to fight. Oof. Look the beautiful of this beautiful well designing graphics. So we move, we get some XP and we get some. So we move around. Oh, I love that! I love that. So you have them your pet. So you move, you can just. As you can see, you can move. I just wanted to show you the look and feel, the battlefields and stuff like that, but very, very nice. You can increase your power like this. So you fight, and this is really, really cool. So just I wanted to show you the look and feel of the battlefield. You're going to see more content of this kind with Ni No Kuni while I'm learning the fundamental of the game. So thank you so much. Join this channel, subscribe, and smash the like button to enjoy more content of this kind. That's help the channels to grow. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.